Hey, quick question. How do enterprises keep massive networks secure while connecting dozens of offices, remote workers, and cloud apps all at once? Not just one firewall, not just a VPN, the whole system. It's a lot to handle, right? Well, traditional decentralized approaches just can't keep up anymore. Security teams get stretched, threats evolve, and managing everything manually is almost impossible. Welcome to Bluehat Cybersec Academy. See your entire network at once. Let's start with centralized security management. This is all about seeing your entire network from a single dashboard. Instead of hopping between devices, you manage firewalls, VPNs, and access policies in one place. A good way to start is to focus on one type of device first, like firewalls, and bring it under centralized management. Platforms like SIEM consoles, unified threat management tools, or cloud dashboards can make this process much smoother. Start by taking inventory of all your devices, identify overlapping configurations, and consolidate management onto one platform. Automating alerts and reports wherever possible will reduce manual work and let your team focus on real threats. Companies with multiple branch offices often struggle with inconsistent firewall rules, so centralizing control not only streamlines operations, but also ensures uniform policies, speeds up regulatory compliance, and makes incident response far more effective. SD-WAN, smarter connections, safer traffic. Next, let's talk about SD-WAN. It's not just a faster way to connect branch offices, it's also a security enhancer. SD-WAN lets you segment traffic, enforce policies, and route data intelligently, which reduces attack surfaces while improving performance. One practical approach is to separate critical applications, ERP, VoIP, and finance systems, from general traffic. This ensures that essential systems get priority and sensitive data stays secure. To implement SD-WAN effectively, first map all critical applications and branch connectivity needs. Then, define policies for high-priority, sensitive, and low-risk traffic. Deploy SD-WAN appliances or virtual instances and monitor continuously, adjusting routing rules based on performance and threat intelligence. For example, a multinational company can prioritize cloud apps for sales teams while isolating guest Wi-Fi networks, which prevents attackers from moving laterally across the network. SASE, security in the cloud. Now, let's look at SASE, Secure Access Service Edge. SASE merges network connectivity and cloud security, giving you centralized policy enforcement for remote users and cloud applications. It integrates firewalls, secure web gateways, zero-trust access, and CASP into one cloud-delivered platform. A strong first step is to implement ZTNA for remote users and enforce least privilege access. Once that's in place, you can integrate SD-WAN and other services under the same SASE platform. To deploy SASE effectively, start by identifying your remote users, cloud apps, and sensitive resources. Apply least privilege rules for access, enable web filtering and malware protection, and implement CASB policies. Continuously monitor user behavior and adjust policies as threats evolve. In real-world use, healthcare organizations, for instance, can allow doctors to securely access patient records from any device while completely blocking unauthorized users. To make centralized and intelligent network defense truly effective, it's important to layer your defenses. So combine SD-WAN, SASE, firewalls, and endpoint security under a single monitoring view. Automate wherever possible, monitor continuously, segment networks intelligently, and, well, test regularly to validate that your defenses are working as intended. Looking ahead, AI-driven threat detection, behavior-based access control, and autonomous orchestration are really shaping the future. Networks won't just react, they'll adapt in real time, proactively protecting your data before threats can actually cause damage. Before we wrap up, here's a little challenge for you. How would you centralize firewall and VPN management across multiple branch offices? How can SD-WAN improve both performance and security for remote users? If deploying SASE, which cloud apps would you protect first using ZTNA? What automation rule would you implement in a centralized dashboard? Drop your answers in the comments and tell us which next-gen network security topic you want us to explore next. SD-WAN Deep Dive, SAC Deployment Lab, or AI-driven threat detection strategies. Thanks for watching Bluehat Cybersec Academy. If this video added value to your day, give it a like, share it with someone who could benefit, and subscribe for more practical networking and cybersecurity content from Bluehat Cybersec Academy. Drop a comment. We'd love to hear how you're applying these concepts in your own environment. See you next time. Stay curious, stay secure, and keep building networks that actually work.